Hey, I'm Lucille, the founder of Aesthetic, and I hope you're ready because today we're going to make your Notion title pop like never before. But first, let's talk with a little bit of history. Why aesthetic? Because design and details are really important. And I wanted my Notion pages to be more like me, to pop my personal use, and to make my teammates happier when we work together. So the goal here is not to change Notion. No, because we love Notion, of course. The goal is to make it more aesthetic, more friendly, more fun. The goal is to make it more like you. So now, let's start with this Mindful Toolkit template and let's type some title. So if you want to change this H3, you're going to open the extension and then you're going to choose H3 and you can give it a border radius. I'm giving it 15 and you see it's just changed. It's magical. Let's do it for this H2. So board and check this here. Just open the extension again, click H2, and this time I want it 20 and a border. So let's type it. You can have it solid, dashed, dot, whatever you want. I want it dashed though. So here it is. It's finished. Those two are changed. And if you want to change the color, you just need to go back to Notion. I'm going to set a default background. And you can have all the configuration you want, as you feel, as you are. Make it yours, really. So now you can use aesthetic, tell us what you think, give us some feedback, give us some love, and you see you around.